Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. We are going to solve 3 power x is equals to x power 9 and we have to find x. So let's start with today's video solution. So 3 power x is equals to x power 9. If I multiply with power 1 by x both sides, so we can cancel out this. So 3 is equals to x power 9 by x. Now I am going to multiply with power 1 by 9 both sides. So it will cancel out. So 3 power 1 by 9 is equals to x power 1 by x. Now if I multiply left hand side 3 by 3, so it becomes 3 power 3 by 27 is equals to x power 1 by x. Now according to exponent rule, x power m power n, we can write it as x power mn or x power n power m. So I can write this 3 power 3 by 27 as 3 power 3 whole power 1 by 27. X power 1 by x, 3 cube is 3 times 3 times 3, that is 27. Power 1 by 27 is equals to x power 1 by x. Now on comparing both sides, x is equals to 27. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos.